Grease. Hey guys, Sean here from Engines and Elbow Grease. Got a new video for you today. You ever mowing your lawn and when you go to start it back up, it's dead? And you're like, what the heck? It started up just fine. The whole time it wasn't charging because your stator was junk. I've got a Briggs and Stratton 11 horse flathead here on a snapper rear engine mower, 28-inch cut. The stator is junk. I actually picked this up last year with a blown motor and had a good motor, put the motor on it, and the stator is shorted to ground internally. So you hook it up and it just starts smoking the wire. Fortunately, I have the blown up engine that came off the snapper. It's blown up inside, but it has a good stator on it. So I'm gonna show you how to swap a stator charging coil on these old Briggs flatheads. We've got to tear the shrouds and the flywheels off of both of them and then wire the new one in. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's jump on in. This old one off, man, this is gross. This is the old shorted out one. I don't know if I can see where this is shorted. I was wondering if the wire was pinched too, but it doesn't look like it. But this, if you ohm out from this connector here to ground, to the engine block, it has like 0.3 ohms. So it's shorted directly to chassis ground, which is not what you want on a one wire setup. All right, here's our new 2-wire stator. Not new used off of that blown engine block down there. Like this, and put our starter back on. Keep those protected. Make sure you line your keyway back up with the crankshaft slot here. My keyway, my flywheel key is still stuck in here, so I'm just gonna leave it in there, and slide this back down onto the slot here. Just like that. Push your key down in there, and you're keyed. So it is charging. So we're gonna take this and wire it into the stator. Actually, you know what? It actually plugs right in there like that. But I don't want to leave it like that. But let's just plug it in there to the power wire, and then we'll take a reading off the battery, see if it's charging. So there's no need to use that black wire because that's just a chassis ground, and the motor is already grounded to the chassis and the coil is grounded through the motor. So you actually, for a one wire hookup like this, where it's just a direct power back feed to the battery, you don't have to use that second wire. So I just cut the charging wire out and wired on a single wire plug. So we are all good. This thing's gonna charge now, and no more dead batteries. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hope you learned something. Easy way to change out a stator. Got this thing back running again, charging the battery up. I can put some lights on it now if I want. No worries about running the battery down. If you're having a similar problem, most stators on any of these Briggs engines are the exact same way. So if you're having charging issues, check that out. Get yourself a multimeter. Make sure it's not shorted. And you can also check if it's charging after you fix it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.